Well, let's go to Borno State now, where the Nigerian Association of Psychiatrists has carried out a medical outreach to survivors of insurgency and other indigent residents of Dala community. Well, this gesture is aimed at bringing succor to those affected by the conflict. TVC's Jessica Fida has details.
60-year-old Halima Baba is here to benefit from this medical outreach. She joins the over 500 people from Dala community to be diagnosed free of charge. Although government and humanitarian organizations provide healthcare support, the situation remains overwhelming.
Here we are to give back to the society, to render services along the length and breadth of Maiduguri to those who are indigent, who are not able to access care ordinarily, and then to offer them all the needed support.
This gesture by Association of Psychiatrists in Nigeria as part of activities marking its 54th annual general and scientific meeting. Over 50 medical professionals are attending to all kinds of ailments.
The essence of providing mental health care or general medical services is getting to the roots and getting to the target population that are involved. Integrating health into the primary health care is an integral component, and that's what we are trying to demonstrate. And we are trying to offer free services to those that cannot afford and to indigent people in the community.
People have suffered psychotrauma. There are a lot of conditions that affect the mental health of people as a result of psychotrauma. So these are basically most prevalent conditions that we tend to see in the hospital.
Free drugs were available for all patients, and beneficiaries appreciate the gesture. He says, "I'm overwhelmed by this medical outreach. I've been suffering for long at home without medical care due to lack of funds. But today, I've received a free medical care." The healthcare needs of the survivors of the 13-year conflict in Borno has continued to be of concern to many. And with such program available, it will no doubt put a smile on their faces. Over 500 residents of this community are expected to benefit from this medical outreach, which is believed will go a long way in improving their health conditions. Jessica Fida, TVC News, Maiduguri.